Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be a full plus size Fashion Nova try on haul. I'm excited because I need some clothes, girl. I need clothes, okay? So we're also going to be trying out Nova Beauty in this video. I'm so excited for that because I haven't tried any products from Nova Beauty. I got the PR package that is available for you to purchase as well. That's why I'm excited because, you know, so many times we see PR packages and we're like, oh my God, we would like to try it out. Girl, this is one you can try out. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And yeah, I just really am excited for this video altogether because I got some really cute pieces. So stay tuned if you'd like to see the things that I got. So this is the Nova Beauty by Fashion Nova. It says the Perfect Pout Ultimate Lip Kit. Okay, and it says moisturizing rich glow lip gloss, a perfect pout lipstick, and 2-in-1 snatch lip liner. So this is what it looks like. It's black, it's matte, it is so sleek and pretty to me, and it's giving luxe. Okay, now I am going to cover the top of it because it is a mirror. Look, it's a mirror. Okay, and I don't want it to kind of like flash. But it says Nova Beauty and it's a mirror behind here, which I thought was so cute. And then it comes with this card that also shows you the lip combos. So it comes with 9 products total. Look at the packaging, y'all. Like, isn't this so cute? Okay, we are going to have a swatch fest really. So the first lip kit is called the 90s lip kit, and it is basically like a 90s movie star. That is what the look is supposed to give. So let's get into the swatch. First item is Snatched Lip Liner, and this is in a color Brown 01. So this is what it looks like, and it just says Nova Beauty. Next up is the lipstick, and this is in the color Tone. And lastly, for the first set is this clear lip gloss in the color Thick. So the second lip kit is the Perfect Nude Lip. It says Think Naturally Sexy. Okay, so let's get into that. So this is the Snatched Lip Liner in the color Nude 02. So this is the next lipstick, and this one is in the color Real. And this is the matching lip gloss in No Cap. So the third lip kit is the Ultimate Red Lip, and it says Think Classic Vixen. That sounds sexy. Let's get it. Okay, and this is the Snatch Lip Liner in Red 02. This is the matching lipstick in the color Flare. Okay, and this is the matching lip gloss in the color Dime. So these are the swatches of the 3 sets. Again, the first set is the 90s lip kit. The second set is the Perfect Nude Lip, and the third set is the Ultimate Red Lip. Okay, so this one is called the Sidewalk Stunner Pant Set, and I have it in the color Charcoal. I sized down to a large because it has like a whole bunch of like lace ups, and usually with lace ups you can adjust it, which will make it bigger. So that's why I sized down. And baby, if you want it to fit like this size down, I know that my size would have fit me because I am a true extra large. I know that would have fit me well, but this right here brought it up a notch. Like, I look styled now, okay? And I love that they gave a lot of wiggle room with the strings so I could tie them up and all of that. I don't want them just hanging, but girl, this is my favorite thing that I got out of all the pieces that I received. This is my favorite set. It is fire. I can't wait to go somewhere worth wearing this. When I wear this, I know it's gonna be like, it's gonna be a show. I'm gonna wear this with some like booties, like some short black booties, like leather. I think that is gonna look fire. Or if I could even find like this type of like grayish bluish type of tone, I'm gonna get it. It's fire. But yeah, I love it. It is stretchy. It has strings everywhere, like literally drawstrings everywhere. So it is so comfortable. And the lace, again, the lace up is real. Okay, so it has the lace up in the front, it has the lace up on the sides. Yo, this set is so fire. And look how good it looks on my butt. Like my butt looks so good. Like it looks good. And I know I have a little bit of rolls right here. We're gonna start working on that, okay? I'm gonna start working on my back because I'm getting so small and it looks so good. So I'm gonna get rid of these, baby. We're gonna start doing some workouts. But yeah, this outfit is fire. Look at the details. Just look at the details. This next set is called the Get Over It 3-piece pant set in the color heather gray, and I sized down to a large because of the pants, but when it comes to my breast, I would say it fits a little bit snug, just this part, the sports bar part, but it looks really good. This is the outfit. It looks like, you know, I would go out in the morning for a walk, just looking around the city with some shades on, get me a nice little glass of nice little cup of hot chocolate or some tea, and you know, go on my walk, sightseeing, looking around, and the stores. I think this is a really cute fit. It also looks like something you could definitely run in, like, and it is comfortable enough to do so. Let me turn around. So this is what it looks like in the back. It's not tight at all. So if I would have got my true size, girl, these pants would have been so big on me, because I could stand to still like kind of size down. Okay, so this is kind of smashing my breasts because again, I sized down and my breasts are still kind of large for my size, even though they did get smaller. So yeah. So it's a little harder for me with the sets now because the pants will fit, but you know, the tops won't fit my breast. But this doesn't look bad. This looks good. So this is called such a basket case Moto jacket, and this is in the color Hunter, which is this fire ass green. This is in a size extra large, and baby, do y'all see this? This is such a cute faux leather jacket. And to be perfectly honest with you, it does not give off faux leather. It gives off real leather. It's thick. It feels nice. It is structured. This jacket is a must have. Like, oh my gosh, I love the detail. And look at that. First of all, look at the details. Kind of like basket weaving, but on leather. Like, are y'all kidding me? That's fire. And then we have all the zippers and then the belt at the bottom. This is a few notches up from a classic leather Moto jacket to me. It does have pockets, and y'all know I love that. So this is the In the Morning PJ pant set. This is in the color black, and this is in a size extra large. And I definitely want to get another one. If they have other colors, I want it in every color. This is the most comfortable pajama set I have ever had. The pants hit me at a perfect length for me, which is like surprising because normally when I get these type of pants, they are literally either too high or way too long. These fit perfect. So if you are a 5'5", 5'6", I would say these are gonna fit you amazing because I'm a 5'5". Well, because I am 5'5". Okay, and yeah, it's very, very comfortable. So this is what it looks like. It's just a black 2-piece, so it's black pants, and it has like a drawstring in the front, and then it's this long sleeve top that has the white piping, the white buttons, that little contrast. It just makes it look so cute, and honestly, I just need this in every color. So this jacket is the Los Angeles City Denim bomber jacket, and this is in a color light wash, and I have it in a size extra large. It is true to size, I would say, because it runs large. Like, this is just one of those jackets that kind of run a little big, and I love it. It's cropped. I love that it's denim. That was the thing that got me. Like, it's denim, and then it has all these cute little sporty details. Like, it has like that darker blue denim wash. That is so different, but it doesn't pop out. It's like literally washed into the jacket. And then it has like this black and white contrast along the bottom and the wrists that are a little tighter, and I think that makes it just brings it over the top as far as the details. And then down the side is this cute like little like natural looking strip, and then it's lined with white on both sides. I think this is just the cutest jacket. It doesn't have any pockets. That's the only flaw, but definitely the cutest jacket like ever. Like, are you dumb? Okay, so this is called Still the Moment Windbreaker pant set, and this is in the color charcoal combo, and I have it in a 1X. I looked at the site, and the reviews were saying 2 size up because it ran a little small, but I am not experiencing that. I actually think I could have got my real size, which is the extra large. So this is what it looks like. It's a 2-piece windbreaker set. It is in gray, and it has orange piping, which just makes it look so freaking cute. I love that it's wide legs, okay? And it's the same thing on a jacket, and then it has this really, really wide band around the top of the pants and around the bottom of the jacket. And I did wear this already, and I actually took pictures in it, and I did videos in it, and I posted it on Instagram. So if you want to see this style, definitely go check me out there. This fits very comfortably. It still looks good on me, even though it is just a little big, but I'm okay with that because it is so comfortable. Okay, so let me turn around so you can see. This is what the back looks like. Just to me, it looks like a 1-piece. And I think that's why I had a lot of guys asking me where I got this, because they actually wanted it, and I was like, no, it's not for men. And I was like, it's a 2-piece, because they thought it was like a 1-piece. So yeah, that would have made it unisex. This is fire though. Okay, so this is the Always classic belted trench in the color khaki, and it's basically a classic trench. This is so cute. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah. Every fall I try to get myself a trench coat because I just think they are so cute in the fall. Like, especially when you just don't want to show everything that you have on, you can just throw that trench on, boo. So I love this. I love the belts on the wrists. Like, you can adjust them. You can adjust the belt right here as well. This is in a size extra large. I feel like it does run a little bit large because this is big on me. Like, I could have probably sized down, I could have sized down 1 at least. Okay, this is my favorite thing on a trench jacket. It just is so unique, and it just does something. And when you cinch in the waist, it looks so good in the back. Like, do you see that? It just makes you look even slimmer. And it does have pockets, and they are deep, and I really, really love that. Let me get close so you can see the details up close. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So the next jacket is called the LA Champions bomber jacket, and I have it in the color black, and this is in a size extra large. This one doesn't have pockets either, which really sucks. But this jacket is so fire. I already got a good wear out of this. Whew, I wore it one time, and I just felt so comfortable. It is so comfortable. Like, it's so comfortable. Love it. So it has LA right here in the details, and then it has like a leather sleeve, and this is a different material. The leather sleeve has like blue, black, and white on it, which I love the details on this jacket. And the back definitely has details. That's why I love this jacket. Like, look at that. I know I'm not from LA, because a lot of the items I got is like has Los Angeles on it, but it's not about that. It's about the style to me, and I love the way this looks. Like, it's the details. It's the details, and this is a really, really cute jacket. So the next set is called the Tamara Washed jogger set. It's in the color slate blue, and again I sized down to a large because I figured it would run a little bit big, and it does. It's still big on me, even though it fits, but it's still big on me. So I could have sized down 2 sizes. If you want it fitted, I would say size down 1 size or 2. No, if you want it fitted, I would say size down 2 sizes because this runs large. But I still like it. The band on this is really big. That's what I don't like. Like, the band is really, really, really big. So if you want to wear it like that, you can, but I prefer the band to be smaller, so I kind of like just tuck it. Okay, and this is the jacket. So the jacket is really, really short. It is definitely cropped. So what I like to do is kind of like that, and I kind of let it hang off of like one side like that. And that's how I've been wearing it with my bag, and it looks really cute. So this is the Raiders corset hoodie in black. So this is what it looks. Oh, and sorry, this is in an extra large. This is true to size in my opinion. So this is what it looks like. It's like a corset, so it gets tighter right under the bust, and it goes down like in an angle in the front, so you can see. Okay, and it has that Raiders symbol right here, long sleeves, and in the back. This is so cute. It said corset, right? So you can tie it and make it tighter to your liking, and then it's even tighter around this part when you do that. But I kind of like it like loose like that, because I think that looks really cute when you can see a little bit of it, because that just gives it. So I will wear a shorter pant so that you can see like my back, so you can kind of see like the my skin. This is like so me. This describes my style. It's like comfortable, a little bit of masculinity, but still feminine because of the details. That describes my signature style to a T. Okay, so that was all for this full fashion haul. I hope you enjoyed. I will have the links to everything down in the bottom bar, and I will speak to you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share, because sharing is caring. I love y'all, and I'll speak to my next video. Bye y'all.